Hello po, good morning guys. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa resort na Rancho Bernardo ni Boss Derek. Yan, napakaganda po. Overlooking. Yan, tara. Tara mga idol, samahan niyo ako. Yes. Tara Bi, sama ka. Yan o, overlooking. Ito po yung pool niyo po. Yes, di ba? Panalo. Overlooking mga idol. Papakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano po kataas. Yan, then sa ibabaw nito ay pool. Yan o. Yan, maraming salamat. Boss Derek, yan, thank you so much talaga. Napakaganda po ng resort nyo.
Yayabangan ko sila ng boses ko.
Yun.
Makakala niya siya na marunong kumanta eh.
Yan, kakataro si Boss Derek. Yan, yan. Napakaganda. Yan, ito po ay resort po ng aking direktor na si Boss Derek. Yan. Yang pinalilibutan po niyan, mga idol. Yan, rest house po. Yes, hello mga followers. Like and share na po yan mga idol. Ano po kung ginagawa natin. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po sa pag-follow. Pakishare na rin doon po. Ano? Thank you po. Maraming salamat po, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Boss Derek. Thank you po. Salamat po, syempre, kasama ko aking misis. Yan o. Diba? Oh.
Miss mo taba.
Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Tingnan natin naming si Boss Derek. Boss, pakanta ako, boss, ha?
Oo.
Mag-warm up lang ako. Iba-ibang kanta.
Yun ang gusto mo ngayon.
You know? Ito po yung resort niya. Ito po yung mag-open na, malapit na. Abangan niyo po yan, mga idol. Yes, lapitan natin si Boss Derek. You know?
Hi. Magandang araw.
Yan, hello. Coco Martin, usap tayo. Shout out.
Lars, pa-check mo nga sa akin kasi humina eh.
Yan, yung
Kailan ng ano?
para mga idol, tuloy ko buhay ito this year. Yan.
Testing. Marinig ni Al ang boses ko.
Sige nga, pakinggan natin si
Ako pwede
Boss Derek.
Ako pwede ngoming Inalabi ko lagi nanalabi kasama isip yan ang alala tuwing umaga wala na ba pwede mo opening up ni Ana para pag-masama sa loob. Okay. Ay, yung sir, parang konti.
Want to be with you tonight. Don't say a word, just hold my hand. Just stay with me. Don't say goodbye. Lord, though you hurt me, please don't desert me. Do what you want to, but please don't ever go. Don't break my heart, dear. Why be apart? I love you so, so please don't ever go. It's so the stars and its light remind me of you. But what we do, 'cause Marty, I love you. I think of you every day and night. And now I realize how I feel for you. But now you are with someone new. Though I can, but I have to forget you. Though I can, but I have to forget you. Yan. Yan.
Alright, para po sa ating mga senior citizen at sa lahat po na nakikinig sa ating live video. Thank you so much kay Boss Derek.
If you will only say you love me, if you'll be mine, I promise I will love you faithfully. I'll do just anything your heart will say. Only you now and forever. Deep in my heart, I swear I'll never make you cry. Here in my arms, believe me, we there as time goes by. My love will never will die. I love you, I really do. I love you, nobody but you. Only you could make my dream come true. And only you could love me too. I remember, darling, when I first saw you. You were so lovely that every girl would envy. That will